In this video, we will compare Workato versus Zapier. Zapier and Workato are both popular integration and automation platforms. However, they cater to different audiences and offer varying levels of complexity. Zapier is known for its simplicity and ease of use, making it easy and an excellent choice for medium to small sized businesses or individuals who need to automate their routine between apps. It also offers a user-friendly, no-coding interface that allows users to set up automated workflows called Zaps quickly and easily. With thousands of pre-built app integrations, Zapier excels in connecting cloud-based apps and automating in simple, linear workflows without requiring any technical expertise. It is ideal for users looking to fast-forward and straightforward automation needs without needing a deeper level of customization. Workato, on the other hand, is a more powerful enterprise-level platform designed for businesses with complex integration and automation needs. While it provides a low-coding interface, Workato offers advanced features such as logical thinking, data transformation, real-time syncing, and more robust API integration. It is supported not by only cloud-based apps, but on the premise system, making it a better choice for larger organizations. For those requiring a more sophisticated workflow, Workato is ideal for businesses that need more customization, scalability, and integration than what Zapier can provide. In essence, Zapier is perfect for users who are seeking simplicity, speed, and ease of use, while Workato is better suited for larger organizations or teams with more advanced integration and automation needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.